Good morning, my friends. We are here from Edmonton, and today we have rain since early morning. Actually, since last night. Yeah, it was raining and still, still the same, right? Yeah, I seen that it's September. I seen that fall already arrived. Yeah, we have to be ready and yeah, be mentally prepared for winter that is in maybe very soon. Very soon will be here. But yeah, we have a lot of rain. It's good for the plant. But in the morning it's around 5 to 6 degree, maybe 7 degree in the morning during the night. Yeah, it's getting cold during the night and maybe 14, 15 during the day. Yeah, we can see that the temperature is now going up, like 25, maybe 30. We have that temperature this summer, and that was really good, having that experience that, with really, really nice temperature. But you can see, it's cloudy, it's cloudy. Looks like fall, yeah. Let's see, because I still have some cucumbers that are growing. I don't know. maybe not enough time for them to grow, but I still, wait. I am waiting to see. Okay, my dears, have a nice day. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Bye for now.